Part A, write the differential equation. So N0 is 500.
Yes.
It grows, it's growing, so it's positive. 0.2 N. Each year the farmer sells 30 sheep.
Every year.
Instead of a fraction, how could we write that? Okay, that's A. Let's try B. The differential equations, so we have n equal to something. What do we do with this equation? We want to get the n with the n. So this is what I call the flipper. Before we flip it, we want to make this one fraction. So let's change it to dn dt equals n take 150 over 5. So I multiplied the 30 by 5 and gave it the same denominator. Okay, now I flip. So we're going to flip both sides. We can do that because they're both one fraction, so we're allowed to do that mathematically. Bring the dn over, integrate both sides, and we've got a constant here at the top, the 5. Bring the 5 out the front. So there's an invisible 1 here next to the dt, so what's that become? So this is going to be, yes, 1t divided by 1, which is just t, plus a c, natural log. Natural log of n minus 150. We're not going to add a plus c. When you do your first integration, that's when you after that you sub in conditions. So sub in, n is 500, t is 0. So you end up with c.
Is that blocking?
So now we're trying to rearrange for n. So then I'm going to minus this from both sides. So basically, using our log laws, this becomes, so minus 350 becomes inside the log divide 350. Divide both sides by 5. Do the opposite of natural log. Times by 350 and then add 150 to get your n. Part C is determine the number of sheep on the farm after 10 years, so you sub in t equals 10. So he ends up with whatever that is. He had that many sheep after 10 years.